To get one's ducks in a row, or to have one's ducks in a row. Carol needs to get her ducks in a row before she goes on a vacation. To get or have one's ducks in a row means to take care of one's responsibilities, often by preparing and organizing. Here are example sentences. We need the project done soon. Let's have a meeting and get our ducks in a row. I wish I could go to the movies, but I need to have my ducks in a row for the presentation I have tomorrow.
Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For each question, replace a word or words in a sentence with the idiom, so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds per question. The report is due soon. We are busy organizing. The report is due soon. We are busy getting our ducks in a row. Or, we are busy having our ducks in a row. I've studied very hard for tomorrow's test. I am prepared. I've studied very hard for tomorrow's test. I got my ducks in a row. Or, I have my ducks in a row.
Practice makes perfect. Replay the video until you can say the idiom naturally. A working knowledge of frequently used idioms is essential in order to naturally communicate with Americans. Learn to speak English fluently with polylanguages.